Hello friends at home. In this video I will be going over this sorting digraph page. This page we will be working with the WR, the GN, and the MB digraphs. The first thing I do is always the same. I take out my pencil and write down my name up here at the top in this blank space. Make sure you write your name on your paper. Remember, beginning next week, if you forget your name, you lose a point. Austin, I'm going to ask that you stop doing whatever it is you're doing because it's making a lot of noise and it's distracting for me and your friends, okay? As a reminder, digraphs are when we take two letters, we put them together. They make a different sound. So when we have the letters W and R together, we don't say woof, 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 woof. The WR makes the sound, the R sound. When we have GN together, we don't say gun, gun, gun. The G is silent and it just makes the N sound. And when we have the M and the B together, we don't say mb, mb, mb. We just make the B silent and say the sound. So what you're going to do on this page is at the bottom, the first thing we'll do is cut off. Mateo, I need you in your seat. Cut off these words because we'll be cutting and sorting them. So now I have this nice clean page here. And then I'll go along my outside tracks and cut off all the scraps from these words. And I'll cut off this. Now my scraps, remember, they go in the recycling or the trash. I don't just throw them on the floor because that would be bad news blues. And then I'll just start cutting out the words. So I've got 3 words here. We'll start with the first word. Who knows what this word is? Amelia? Right, like I write my name on my paper. Just a moment, friends at home. We're having a situation at the back of the room. Sorry about that. Camila, what digraph do you see in the word right? Do you see WR, GN, or MB? WR. So you'll take your glue stick. Put some glue on the back of the word right, and it gets glued in the column with the WR digraphs. Make sure you use enough glue and you rub it in place so that it's not going to fall off of there. A lot of times when you guys glue these on, you turn them in and all your pieces pop off and then I have to mark them wrong. So make sure you're using enough glue that they're staying where you stick them. All right, let's look at another word. Does anybody know what this word is? I'll give you a hint. It's not tomb. Austin?
And make sure you don't take yours upside down.
Right, but do you know what this word is?
Tomb.
Close. It's tomb, like Jesus was laid in a tomb. Okay, which digraph do you see in the word tomb?
T-O-M-B.
MB. Good job. So the B is silent. It's not a tomb. We don't say Jesus was laid in a tomb. We say he was laid in the tomb. Go ahead and push it down and make sure that you get it so it stays stuck. And we'll do one more. Who knows what this word is? Drew? Wrong. Good job. You are right. This word is wrong. What digraph do you see in that one, Dominic? WR. Excellent. So we'll put some glue on the back of wrong. And we'll stick it in the WR column. We're going to make sure we press it down real good so it stays stuck. You will keep going, friends. You have the word gnat, climb, design, limb, sign, thumb, ring, wrist, wrap, gnaw, wreath, and crumb. Cut out those words, glue them in the correct columns, make sure they stay put. And when you're finished, you will either take a picture and upload it if you are at home, or you will bring it on up to me for a grade. Okay? Have fun with this, boys and girls. Bye.